So guys, I'm gonna be playing my CLOUDA horror game thingy. I didn't like add anything because like I'm not one of those people who try and make a copy of a game. So I didn't like add anything to it.
Editor slide here. I did in fact add some stuff. At the start you can see I added like an online player thing, so just ignore what I just said.
Yeah, get my cosmetics. I'll try forest first. Look at this little goofy fella. Yo. No. Oh fuck no. Oh no. Oh my god. There's no barriers, I forgot.
What?
Oh. My heart's pounding. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Right. We're gonna try mountains now. There's Pixicle. And there's Disco Guy. Like the J-Man guy said. Ooh, I'm not going on that. If I die, I'm giving, I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Yo, chat, mash cut. Chat, mash cut. Oh, look at that, boys. Now, just survived. What, man? I'm definitely not going in for caves. I forgot the map doesn't reset. Oh my god. I forgot the map doesn't reset. Oh my god.
Hey my boy, I didn't forget to say, yeah, subscribe, like, comment, share with like your dog, cause like if you don't, then I'm gonna find where you live and eat you. So like, yeah, do that.
I forgot the map doesn't reset. Get up! Get up! Oh, I'm going to volcano. Right off. My heart's actually pounding, oh my god. Please get this shit, man. Jesus. There's pixel in there as well. Pixels in mountains or for mountains. EMC and fuck's sake. Yeah, mountains, EMC and volcano. I'm not doing my new journey because it's like It's not many bugs. I might fix it, I might not, who knows. But yeah. Ooh. There's Daisy. There's Pixel. Well, I'm back to this because like it's just taking too long. I was going to show you what I was working on and what I was going to release, but since it's taking too long, I'll just play some canyons. I don't want to jump down. Jumping down's too like risky. A PBBV is coming after me right now. I don't trust it around here. The lightning just gave me a bloody heart attack, oh my god. This is the scariest version of canyons in my opinion. Crap. Oh my god. There you go. But yeah guys, I think that'll be it for now. I might show you like more soon. If you want to know how to get this, just go on yeah. Right, so when you're on itch.io, search up just Clouds Gorilla Horror, just that. Be this one right here. Credits to this guy. Oh, this stink. Who made the thingy thing this. Yeah, it'll be the first one. Not the bottom one, because like that's a new journey and it's quite buggy. Justin, stinky. Nah, I'm just joking. So yeah, that's it for now.